When we are talking about volume, we are talking about how much a container can hold. In the standard system, we commonly use cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. In the metric system, we use liters. Here's a nice chart to show you the relationship between the different units of measurement. In our standard units, 1 cup, which is abbreviated with a C, a pint, which is equal to 2 cups, is abbreviated with a PT. A quart is equal to 2 pints, and its abbreviation is QT. And a gallon, which is equivalent to 4 quarts, is abbreviated GAL. Here we see a commonly used graphic organizer to illustrate how many cups, pints, and quarts are in a gallon. In the center we have Mr. Gallon Man. His arms represent the 4 quarts that are in a gallon. Each quart has 2 pints, which gives us a total of 8 pints in a gallon. And then each pint has 2 cups, which gives us 16 cups in a gallon. In the metric system, we use liters, abbreviated with a capital L. They use a capital L so that it is not confused with a number 1. And it's equivalent to about 4 glasses of water. Here are some other units of measurement that are just good to know. First, there are 16 tablespoons to a cup, there are 16 ounces to a pint, and there are 16 cups to a gallon. Let's look at some commonly used items to get an idea of how much each unit of measurement is. A yogurt container holds about 1 cup. A water bottle holds about 1 pint. A thermos holds about a quart. And of course a milk jug holds about 1 gallon. Now let's see if we can make some conversions within our volume. The first one asks me how many cups are equal to 2 pints. Well, I know that there are 2 cups in 1 pint, so 2 times 2 is 4, so there are 4 cups in 2 pints. My next one asks me how many quarts are in 3 gallons. Well, we know that 1 gallon has 4 quarts, so 4 times 3 is 12, so 3 gallons would have 12 quarts. My next question asks me how many pints are in 2 gallons. Well, thinking back to our Mr. Gallon Man, I remember that there are 8 pints in 1 gallon. So if I double that, then 8 times 2 is 16, which would give me 16 pints. The next one asks me how many cups are equal to 1 gallon. Again, I think back to Mr. Gallon Man, and I remember that the cups are the smallest units extending from Mr. Gallon Man's body, and there were 16 of them. So 16 cups equals 1 gallon. Next we have how many cups equals 3 quarts. Again, if I think back to Mr. Gallon Man, the quarts were the arms and the legs. So if I'm thinking about 3 of those, and each one of those quarts had 4 cups, then 4 times 3 is 12. So there are 12 cups in 3 quarts. And my last question asks me how many pints are in 2 quarts. Well, again, the quarts represented the arms and legs, so I'm thinking about 2 of them. And I know that each quart had 2 pints. So 2 quarts would be 2 times 2, which is 4. So I have 4 pints equal to 2 quarts.